Hello everyone, welcome to my course Python Bootcamp. My name is Aleem and I will be your instructor throughout this journey. I run a channel called Coding Brain where we focus on programming, AI and real world development skills. In this bootcamp learn you will learn Python from beginner to advanced level step by step. Here is the course roadmap where we can cover all the modules from beginner to advanced level. Here is the tool list we will cover in our boot camp. We will not just learn theory, we will build real projects, solve problems, develop practical skills that you can use in your career. You are a complete beginner or someone looking to improve skill, this course is designed for you. This is our outcome after complete successfully bootcamp. You will able to build real Python apps, solve real problem, solve start AI journey and ML journey. So let's get started and build skills, solve problem, create future and being our Python journey together. Thank you for your attention. Let's meet into the next lecture.